So what will be your words for the same? Because उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको print किया है, telecast किया है. What would you like to say?
I'd like to thank the media from all the states. Thank you so much for your love and support. There's no way the movie can have this much reach without your love and support. So I'd like to thank all the medias across all the states. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, हमने मीडिया से तो पूछा what's their favorite scene from the movie, but we wish to know what's your favorite scene from the movie. One scene.
You know, and I'm saying this from the capital of
Guys,
the
please
country.
maintain the decorum.
And every time I say it, right, it's not just Pushpa for me is not just about myself. It's about the attitude of every Indian. You know, I wanted to carry, whenever we say, how do I put it? To answer you, my favorite moment in Pushpa is, I'm saying this as an Indian, not just as a character of Pushpa. Every single time I said, "Main jhukega nahi."
Yeah!
I loved it. That's my favorite moment in the entire movie.
But sir, last question, sir. Pushpa 1 was झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 2, हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 3.
हम रुकेगा नहीं साला.
Yeah! Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And we wish ये 1000 CR जो है ये अभी 7, 8, 10 में कन्वर्ट होता जाए and wildfire बढ़ती जाए.
Thank you. And about the 1000 number, I would like to say something. The 1000 number is a reflection of the people's love. The numbers are temporary, but the love that is etched in your hearts will remain forever. And thank you for that love.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I always believe that the numbers always have to be broken. And yes, I'll also tell you the truth that it's nice to be in this spot, and to enjoy this state. Probably for 2-3 months, I'd like to be on this spot and enjoy all these records and everything. But within 2-3 months, maybe hopefully at the next summer, I would want all these records to be broken by the next. It doesn't matter which film industry, Telugu film industry, Tamil, Hindi, does not matter. But I want these records to be broken soon because that is progression. That means that India is going up. So I would like to say that I would like to wish everybody that, these numbers should be broken as soon as possible, and that is growth. And I love growth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, just one thing I would like to say. There are 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands in India.
Okay.
And उन सबके घर में लड़ाई चल रही है क्योंकि आपने एक फोटो के चक्कर में सीएम बदलवा दिया. एंड यहाँ पर लड़ाई इस बात की है कि तुम एक गुलाब लेकर नहीं आ सकते. 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands की कंप्लेंट है सर ये.
For all those, how many crores?
37 crore 8 lakhs
चलो
34
round figure दे दो, 38 बोल दो.
38 crore.
To all the 38 crore husbands, I'll tell you one thing. Listen to your wife.
एंड सर मेरे घर में एक छोटा सा कलेश हो गया, मुझे वो शेयर करना था आपको. मेरी बीवी ने कहा तुम्हारी गलती है, सॉरी बोल दो. मैं वो झुकेगा नहीं साला. 3 दिन से खाना बंद है.
वाइफ के सामने झुको.
यस, ये गुरु मंत्र है. वाइफ के सामने हर कोई झुकेगा.
नहीं, औरत के सामने झुको.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Very nice message. Sir, any last words before, for the media, any last words that you would like to say?
Thank you, India. Dhanyavad.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alu sir. Please, big round of applause for Alu Arjun sir. And the way we practiced, everyone, jhukega nice.